guys, so it's time to make these slushies. At the time is really hot, so I'm going to be making a alcoholic slushie and a non-alcoholic slushie. So first thing, I put in my melons, and then I put a 1/3 cup of vodka, and then I added just a little bit of lime, just a little bit, just to give it extra flavor. And of course you add a lot of ice because it's a slushie, and I blend. So now I'm going to be making the non-alcoholic slushie. So we're using mangoes, we're using pineapple. I added a 1/3 cup of water just to really get it to blend, and of course a lot of ice. In both of the slushies I use at least 6 cubes of ice or more. And then I added 2 tablespoons of sugar in both of them, but that is optional. It all depends on your preference. And I ain't gonna lie, these were amazing. It's perfect for the weather. The time is like still hot, it's still summer, and we want something that's gonna cool us down for the kids and for the adults. If you want something that's gonna give you, a different type of vibe, but it's still gonna cool you down, these drinks are perfect for your barbecues, for any parties that you're keeping, because curfew 11 o'clock, or any get-together, family get-together that you're having with your family, your friends, whatever. These drinks are amazing.
Yummy, and a good job.
Stop. Serious? Really nice, delicious.